Hey guys, Barry Page here, and in this video, I'm going to discuss security and how you can secure your finances and grow your wealth using the infinite banking concept with participating whole life insurance. This is the third in my educational video series focusing on saving into your private system that is secure. The objective of each of these videos is to provide you with a foundation so you can optimize your financial resources. During this unprecedented time, there are many factors contributing to our risk, and many respected economists are sounding warning alarms. As I record this video, markets are dropping like a rock. So I want to speak with caution and from experience in dealing with the risks that we face. You're going to want to stick around to the end of the video as it'll all come together. Let's cue the intro. My mission is simple, to help you protect your family and keep more of your money. I'm here to help level the playing field for families and those who seek the truth. There's always a new way to make money, but at the end of the day, it's your family's security and your legacy that matter. And I promise to help you protect what's really important to you. Legacy money starts now. Welcome back. So how can you secure and protect the assets that you're working so hard to build? Security is a broad term, but staying with our channel's purpose, we're going to focus on faith, family, and finances. First and foremost, we're offered security by our faith in God, spiritually and physically. And while physical security is a part of life, it is temporary. Our eternal security is found in our relationship with God through the Holy Spirit and Jesus Christ. Every parent wants to protect their family, their children, but our finances often get pushed aside in our busy lives. And unfortunately, we get caught up in the hopes of realizing returns and debt and other eroding factors of our money. And most even discount their ability to earn an income, which is really the foundation for our finances. When considering our finances, there are many risks that we face with our money. Primarily, people think of volatility in the stock markets. Even greater risk can destroy our wealth for our family and for generations to come. Here's a short list of some of the risks that we face. Taxation risk, inflation risk, regulatory risk, longevity risk, long-term care risk, mortality risk, death, deflation risk, market risk, withdrawal rate risk, sequence of return risk. These are just some of the economic risk that we face. The good news is we can solve or reduce many of these risks with whole life insurance. Yes, a centuries-old product that has guarantees that makes all of your assets better. Assets can be lost, stolen, dwindled, or lost in a market crash. Having job security can reduce stress and add to having a comfortable lifestyle, but ultimately we should have a safety net, a plan to meet our needs in case of emergencies or job loss. Financial pressures can strain relationships and even cause divorce. Medical expenses and income disruption from disability contribute heavily to personal bankruptcies, which total about 350,000 annually due to illness or injury. Medical bills account for over 60% of personal bankruptcies. Furthermore, 53.7% of non-retired U.S. households lack disability insurance. Nearly 50% of all U.S. mortgage foreclosures are linked to disability or serious illness. Disability is a big deal and overlooked by a majority of the population. According to the Bureau of Labor and Statistics, BLS, approximately 25% of U.S. households contain at least one adult person with a disability. This equates to about 32 million U.S. households. Moving on to some positive things. Growing our wealth, our money that we save should be safe and secure. Protection from loss is the primary attribute we should be seeking. But other benefits like liquidity and access to capital should be at the top of the list as well. We should want to combat all of the eroding factors of our wealth, including taxes and inflation. Ownership is important, and how we title or own our assets and property can significantly impact our wealth building and our estate. Ironically, before saving, most people are investing in financial instruments called securities. But these products couldn't be further from secure. Government agencies and regulatory bodies have been set up just for our protection. And investment bankers are required to tell you that investing involves risk. Duh. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, said we need education. We need financial education. He said to control a car, the key is driver's education. With assets, the key is financial education. Why people invest their hard-earned money on Wall Street inside of government plans with little access or control is really beyond my scope. Savings should come first, or at least as an equal partner. We need counterbalance with our risk-based assets. There's always a hope for return, and it's exciting without a doubt, but it also can create stress and anxiety. I want to clarify, there's nothing wrong with investing and calculating our risk after someone understands the consequences. However, it does take time and education. An alternative to traditional investing is practicing the infinite banking concept. This method involves using a powerful, centuries-old financial tool, life insurance, and paying yourself first. Dividend-paying whole life insurance from a mutual company covers a myriad of risk in one financial product, one that offers multiple benefits and can actually offset risk and losses from other assets, creating a buffer by saving into an account that you own and control, one that offers multiple benefits and can offset losses from other assets. Nelson Nash, the creator of the infinite banking concept, IBC, developed it for use with participating whole life insurance, good old-fashioned vanilla whole life insurance, for a reason. It has guarantees. Guarantees add security. You can bank on the outcome. So just think about that. From day one, once you're approved and your policy is in force, you can guarantee your legacy. This is the same asset used by the world's largest corporation and banks, life insurance. You've heard it before, but to protect yourself from risk, you need to be diversified, a balanced approach. But diversification doesn't just mean owning mutual funds. True diversification means owning multiple asset classes, not just paper assets. So these assets may include stocks, real estate, gold, silver, precious metals, businesses, crypto, and of course, life insurance. Life insurance is the foundation. We should strive to maximize our protection. That means we should have the maximum amounts of insurance. We protect our automobiles with insurance. We protect our house with insurance. We should protect our lives and our ability to earn an income with insurance. In many cases, whole life insurance can be structured with a disability benefit and a long-term care benefit, along with the death benefit. Financial losses can spoil your dreams. Optimize your financial plan by properly protecting your assets, present, future, and your estate. Maybe you want to give to your church, to your charity. You can secure your future. You can guarantee your legacy with life insurance. Whatever your dreams are, your goals, your aspirations, you can sleep comfortably at night knowing your future is guaranteed. Life insurance is the only financial product that can guarantee that what you want to happen will happen. Secure your future now while you can, while you're healthy, while you feel good. Now is the time. The future of your family, your children, your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren can be guaranteed. Protect your family and seek wise counsel. And when you practice the infinite banking concept, you can turbocharge and optimize your plan so it works more efficiently and gives you access to capital throughout your lifetime. There are, of course, certainties in life, as Ben Franklin said, death and taxes. Here's what tax expert Ed Slott said. The tax exemption for life insurance is the single biggest benefit in the tax code. So how long will you live? How much will you pay in taxes? You see, the success of your finances is not about your assets. Dennis Waitley, one of my favorite authors, said, time and health are two precious assets that we don't recognize and appreciate until they have been depleted. Imagine having one simple plan that could solve or reduce many of these risks. This is what you can do by practicing the infinite banking concept using whole life insurance. Your financial success depends on cash flow, your ability to produce an income. So why not have your assets work harder in producing cash flow for you? You can use the power of life insurance and the infinite banking concept to create cash flow and generational wealth for your family. It's the secret wealth strategy hidden in plain sight. So why not protect yourself from unnecessary risk so you can focus on what you do best? Protect your family, protect your assets, protect your income. Be sure to download my free IBC guide available in the description. If you have questions or comments, just leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to watch all three: simple, system, secure, and you'll be on your way to creating generational wealth. If this sounds like something that you'd like to do, then you can schedule a meeting with me in the description below. I really appreciate your support. I could use your likes and your subscription. So subscribe for more and click the little bell so you'll be notified when I come out with new videos.